Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a portfolio site using a free AI web builder, website builder. So we are going to use here a chatbot to generate our prompt and the website, which will actually make a free website for us. We'll just give the prompt and then it will actually create or generate a fully professional portfolio site for us. So the website we are going to use in this video is 10 Web AI Builder. So if you go here I can see 10web.io. so go here, build a website with AI, and now you can actually sign up. So get started for free. So I register my account here, you can see through a Gmail account. So here we have to now give a prompt. So for the prompt we are going to use now Gemini. So let's go for the Gemini. You may use other chatbot like ChatGPT, and in this case I'm going to use Google Gemini. Okay, professional prompt for my portfolio, the master prompt. So we are going to copy this. Here we go, copy this and go back to the website. Here we are going to paste it, here enter. Now it will actually set up our project or website. Now we'll click here start building. So guys, here you can see this is a very professional portfolio site. Here you can see we got here. Okay, so these are the pricing table. Here you can see, wow, and then we have the contact form also, and these are separate page. Here you can see. So this is a really nice portfolio site. If I go for the portfolio option, here we go. So these are the videos, your portfolio section, your resume section. Okay, so this is for the YouTube, then documentary editing, then shorts editing, all the section. Okay, so now you can actually go for the customization also. You can click here customize, then it will actually go for the customization section. Then from here you can actually change site identity, you can add logo also. Okay, and inner image, you can add here image. Then you can add menus also, create new menus, you can give here menu name. Okay, so this is fully customizable also. So that's it guys, I have shown you how you can actually create a professional portfolio site using 10 web, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.